What did YouTube? It's your boy. Scoop back with another reaction video. Today we're going to Bladee Rain Check. Haven't heard this track, but I have heard of Bladee, and I'm excited to hear more from this man. I'm ready for him to start singing to me, and then seeing what this track is all about. I heard a little bit of the instrumental. It sounded beautiful, so I'm excited to see what they're doing on what he's doing on this album. So let's get straight into this reaction video. Can we get the ending? Turn the bitches, bro. Let's get it. Did he get it? Alright, got it. Ooh. Okay. When I'm paper chasing. Okay. Rain world is the matrix. In the Audi racing. I can see you basics. I'm running like it's ASICs. Pay you like I play chess. Do it for the rain check. Man stacks got it wasted. Fendi house dedication. Fuck a conversation. I'm gonna get wasted. Okay. I get the rain check. I don't want your love is tainted. I won't make it. I'm just waiting for a payment. Drinking CEO, I'm on the low close to the pavement. This beat and this man vocals is like a pack of juicy fruit. I won't make sweet, juicy, and delicious. Waiting for a payment. Drinking CEO, I'm on the low close to the pavement. Okay. My fragrance, that's the situation. Smoke house dedication. Fuck a conversation. I'm gonna get wasted. I don't want your love to tainted. I won't make it. I'm just waiting for a payment. Drinking CEO, I'm on the low close to the pavement. Ooh. Okay, Bladee. Bro, I really need to hear you on the track with Shinigami. I feel like it'll be flames. I need y'all to get that into the works. Shinigami or Bladee, connect. Because that shit would be beautiful. And produced by either Charlie Scheffler or Forever. That'd be some heat. But this was a dope track. Enjoyed your vocals, my guy. The track, the beat. Oh my gosh, that beat. Beautiful. This whole track was delicious. Just like I said, it's like a pack of juicy fruit. That's all I really have to say. But let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. But if you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you do have any other reaction videos for me, leave them in the comment section. I read every single comment, and I will get to yours when I can, bro. And I'm out.